Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Haleyville local and long-distance movers near me. Finding the right cheap Haleyville moving company will help make your relocation so much easier. 3 Movers offers the best choice for your local or long-distance move. Our team knows how to move your home, apartment, dorm room, business, warehouse, furniture, piano, or anything else you need to move. We make your long-distance move so much easier by offering the following choices. Packing services. Let us do the packing and unpacking for you and use the saved time to handle other tasks. Moving supplies. We use only top quality moving supplies to help protect your belongings throughout the entire move. An on-time move. When you hire us, you don't have to worry about delays on moving day or any type of cancellation. Upfront pricing. Our price quotes give you the transparent cost you need to set your budget. Licensed and insured. Your things will be well protected when you choose us to help you with your long-distance move. If it's time to move and you need to go 100 miles away or further, we are ready to help. Our team will make the process of relocating much easier. Whether you need to go one state over or several states away, we can certainly help you. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Haleyville moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, local moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.